It's day 2 of my quarantine adventure. It's quite different. Yesterday it was about, I think we hit almost 70 degrees yesterday. It's nice and sunny. And now it's snowing. So, yeah. This morning started out like this. And it turned into this. I am a tiny bit confused on why they're calling us in to go plow the roads. You think that would be a really good excuse to keep people at home, quarantine like it's supposed to be? I mean, schools are closed, restaurants are closed, bars are closed. Where are you really trying to go? But that's what it is. Time to go. Let's clean some streets. This is pretty wild. This is one of the more popular bars and restaurants. There's a whole slew of bars and restaurants down this alley. So usually this parking lot is packed, especially at this time of day. And it's just empty. The streets are just empty. Usually this time of day, on Thursday, there's nowhere to even park. It's hard to get through the stop signs. It's crazy. But yeah, it's just dead. It's kind of weird. Well, it's now 12:34 p.m. or a.m. whatever. 34 minutes past midnight. And done for the day. Not quite sure what we were plowing for because most people are stuck in their homes and not very much is open anyway, but the roads sure are clean. That's all we can say. So, yeah, it's almost like the quarantine never even happened for some of us, but hopefully you all are enjoying it. I guess it's good that people are still keeping society running. 7-Eleven right there is still open, so those people are there, and that's good because I stopped by a gas station to get some food and stuff because there wasn't any restaurants open. So yeah, it's the end of my day 2 quarantine. Probably not as exciting as day 1.